Fix, lift, tone. Today we are doing 5 face yoga poses. Will fix your all queries, will tone your facial muscle and lift your facial fat up. Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati. We are going to start with meditation. Relax yourself, close your eyes. Deep inhalation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let us spread love, happiness, peace with Om chant. Inhale. Release. Let's start with squeeze pose. Squeeze pose is the best pose that helps to control acne, pigmentation. It helps to control wrinkles also. Let's do. Inhale, squeeze your face. Similar like your body, you're exercising your facial muscle. This asana help to contract your muscle, help to increase blood circulation, reduce toxins. Let's do this again. Inhale, squeeze. Close your eyes for 10 seconds. Relax your facial muscle. Release all stress. Amazing. You are going to see very good result. Every asana we have to perform for 5-6 times for better result. Let's do balloon lifting pose. One more time. Inhale, fill your mouth with air properly and lift your head back. Relax. Let's do mind lifting pose. Mindfulness pose, a beautiful pose. It is really good to release all the stress. Let's do this. I call it mood lifting pose also. This is really good, amazing pose. Let's do this again. Raise your eyebrows up, pull your palm upward, head down. Don't close your eyes. Relax, release. One more time we are going to do this, but in different variation. Raise, pull it upward, look down. Now we need to look here, center of your forehead. Be there. Relax. We are going to feel the proper contraction of muscle. This is very good for activating your frontalis muscle. Now let's do one more pose. It is also really good. Keep your palm here. Pull it upward. Make sure you're not creating line. Now make a pout. Relax. This is very good for lifting your facial fat up. Let's do this again. Hold here, upward. Please don't create any line. Make a pout. You can click your picture too. Relax, release. We'll do one more pose, Lioness Pose, my favorite pose. Let's do this. Make a fist, look up, inhale, pull your tongue out. Relax, release. Keep your hand down on your knees. Lock your chin. And relax, release. Now, one more pose we are going to do for a beautiful stretch. Tongue, आपका tongue we need to touch up, top of your palate, and smile. This is very good pose for activating your platysma muscle. A beautiful stretch. Hope you liked the video. Really thank you.